Hello crafters, this is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and Spellbinders sent me the Santa Lane Christmas Mega Kit. Lovely box. So let's do a quick review of what's in this wonderful kit to go through your whole season of crafting holiday goodness. Alrighty, we're just going to just speed through it because I got to start using this to make projects. Let's get started. So you get a little booklet here with this wonderful die set. Look at this. Oh, this is adorable. You get Santa, you get the sleigh, and then it shows you how to assemble it. So included in this mega kit, of course, is my favorite thing in the world, dies. Here are some cards and envelopes. They look like 5x7 and 4x6. I'm going to put the quantity here on the screen. So let's also talk about this card base. This A2 card base, 4 1/4, 5 1/2. You can have the card going this way or this way. It is textured on both sides, adding to the looks. Not super thin cardstock either, so this is perfect, ready to go for all the embellishments, the die cuts, the stamping. This one, 5x7. Love. And you get envelopes as well, so you don't have to go make a bunch of envelopes. Alrighty, and you can stamp on those envelopes. I gotta go start doing that too. Moving on. The contents of what's in the kit is right here. So this is what comes in the kit. Where are the dies? You guys know I get excited by dies. Ooh, here are the dies that comes with it. Here is Santa. So Santa might be roughly around this size. Let's see what that would be. Assembled, giving you a rough. Obviously, I have to do it rough. Between 3 1/2 to 4 inches tall. The width, you're looking close to 2 1/2 to 3 inches wide. Okay, so that's a great die set. And then it has a little sleigh. Comes with a little bell. Oh, come on. Oh, this is cute. This is cute. All right. And we also get some adhesives. We get look like a double-sided tape and some foam squares. Love. Always nice to have adhesives. We have the paper pack. This is 18 sheets, so it's 14 sheets of cardstock and then 4 sheets, 2 of the gold and 2 of the silver of the foil paper. So it's 18 sheets of cardstock. Ooh, with different colors. Let's take a look. Okay, crafters, so included in this, we get this pretty green color. Ooh, a nice blue. And now this is a nice way to sample all of Spellbinders cardstock. I do buy their individual packs because I love their cardstock. I wish they would send it to me, but they don't. So I buy the cardstock because it's really good cardstock. And the colors work so well with the die cutting. Here's a nice green. Ooh, perfect Christmas red. Oh, and they gave you more than one sheet of that one. Yep. I don't blame them. This one's good. Look how it goes well with that. And here's like a maroon red. I think this is one of their new colors. Maroon. This one. Don't have this one. I think this one is called like, it might be terracotta. Pink sand. Yeah. I tell you, I do buy their cardstock. And I can't remember this color pink. I know that one is pink sand. Oh, a nice chocolate brown. And black. Ooh. Listen to that black cardstock. Oh, this is nice. And you know what? See how this here has a little bit of texture? Here is smooth. This side, perfect for using your hot foil plates. Same thing here. Yeah, this is smooth. Oh, nice. And white. I don't have their white cardstock, which is pretty smooth too. Nice. This is their, I want to put the name here because I think it's called Gold Mirror. Wow, look at that. Double-sided. So if you're making bows, like using their mini bow die, this would be perfect because then on the inside of the bow, you would still see the same color. 2 sheets of that. And is this 2 sheets? Yes, 2 sheets of mirror silver. Ooh, blinding, I know. Love. All right. So there we have 14 sheets of cardstock for your mega kit. That's lovely. So we get a die, we get the cardstock, we get envelopes, We get card bases ready to go, A2 and 5x7. Here now, paper pack, Santa Lane paper pack. This one, 40 sheets, 20 designs, includes 6 foiled sheets. Oh, okay, so it's not loose. Oh, nice, pretty. And single-sided. See, now I like this because then I can have more to use on projects. I just use one side. I don't have to worry about getting an extra pad. I love this. There's a foil, gold foil. You see it? Standard. I love a good standard. Definite standard. I love check. You'll be seeing me using this for sure. There we go with the gold. Snowflakes. Good graphics. Nice. Oh, this is pretty. Okay, so now you could take your card. You could use this for the card. Or you could also make a little 6x6 mini album and put Santa. And this could be a great cover for a mini album too. Nice. Pretty. Pockets inside the mini album. Okay, crafters, if you watch my older videos, yes, I made a lot of mini albums, so my mind still goes there from time to time. This paper pad doubles for both the card making and mini albums. That's interesting. This is very pretty too. Love. A little bit of pine. Great for shakers too. Some of these kind of background where it has the music notes, but it's not super bright. So if you put, you know, the shaker bits and the Santa on top, like Santa, like so, that might be a good card, guys, because then this doesn't compete with the die cut image on the top. Yeah, I think about things like that. I love that Santa. That Santa and that sleigh. Hello, only in the kit. This is not sold separate. Okay, and you can purchase this at Spellbinders. Use PayPal Pay in 4 if you want to stretch out the payments. Look at that. Love. Oh, wow. This is very pretty. Lots of nice basic patterns. When I say a basic pattern, I mean it's not everything is just over the top patterns. It's like neutrals here to then go back with something that's like how these two will work together. You see? I love that. Yep. Love. Definite. Love a good check. Oh, this is so pretty. Definite. Look at that. That's a nice neutral. So there's patterns. It's all patterns, but there's neutral patterns. That and that together. Look at that. Love. Here's another one. Oh, these are some good plaids. I am feeling these plaids. Yep. Here's some florals. Floral and the plaid. See? Look at this. The floral, busy, here, neutral. You see that? Love that. Oh, this is a really nice pad. I may have to go get a second one. Now, the pads, I think they will sell this one separately. I'm not 100% sure. I'll double check. I'll put a link for it, though. I'll put a link for the kit, and then I'll put a link if they do have the pad, too. Oh, this is really nice. Because normally you see the wood in just, you know, white, brown, that kind of colorway. But this is like a whitewash green. Ooh, sagey. Ooh, yeah, this was really pretty. Ooh, loving, loving, loving. Bring it back to the plaid. Bring it back to the houses. You see? Yeah. If you do mini albums too, this would be a great pad for that. Nice. 40 sheets. Lots of cards can be made with that. Also, we got some stickers. Thicker stickers. Like puffed alphabet stickers. Very pretty. Red gloss, look, not gloss, glitter. The glitterati happening. And there's more than one letter. And puffy stickers too. Love, peace, joy, believe, home, cheer, happy, hugs, wishes, and then sentiment too. Puffed. Oh, nice. And in these nice colors. Not too bright, not too dark. So you have party here and more traditional here, but they can both work well together. Yes. And of course goes back to the cardstock. And more puffy, 3-dimensional puffy. Let's take a peek. Ooh, see? Nice. When you're making those special cards, or if you decide to, might have to turn this thing into a mini album too. Or a little folio type thing, because this would be great too for something like that, for a project. Really, really pretty. Next. And a ton of ephemera. It doesn't say how many are in here, but I'm telling you right now, it's packed. Sentiments, tons of sentiments. So we still have more. Oh, pretty, pretty, pretty. There we go. Look at that. This, you can pop out that middle part. This is like a film. Oh, gosh, I can't remember the word. Squared. You could put a photograph in here. Peace and joy. Okay. Well, this is a nice competing. And when I say competing, I mean like how other companies make their kits and they give you great ephemera. This is giving some competition to those kind of kits because this is really nice. Yep. You have the modern. Then you have more of a traditional vintage going on here. Holidays. I love that they gave so many sentiments too. If you don't have time for a card, you want to make a quick card, have Santa ready to go and then just stick on this instead of having to stamp or, you know, go through the whole process of finding sentiments. You have a ton here to work with. This is a lot. I don't have a number on it, but I'm telling you, it's like 2 packs in one. So that's a winner right there. Next. Oh, love. This is this gold? If it is gold, the reason I'm saying if it is gold, because see the color? It is like a frosted yellow gold. That's what this is like. Kind of like gold and copper mixed together and produce this color. This is really pretty. What? I don't know what this is. But it's super pretty though. Yeah, those puffy stickers. And they're all snowflakes. Great accent. Very, 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 very pretty. Come on. Sequins. If you have Santa, you got to have a little bit of shaker goodness. And another set of ephemera. So that one, the first one, was sentiments. Oh, yes. See now, if you are a mini album lover, you want to make cards and maybe even like a, what do they call those things? Christmas daily. This can be used. Look at all the ephemera. 2 of each. Snowman. Look at the globe. Oh, oh, oh. Typewriter. Again, vintage, modern, Santa mail, super cute. You know, you aren't making that many cards and this is a whole lot of ephemera. Make a mini album too. Why not? Or use it on tags and projects. Oh, love, 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 love. Okay, this is a lot too, guys. And this, like I said, this is double. So you get 2 piles. You get a pile of words, you get a pile of sentiments, and then a pile of embellishment, die cut, images, fabulousness. Can you see the value in this kit? Yeah, I'm seeing it for sure. And you're getting envelopes and cardstock too. Next, chipboard, double-sided, love. Modern, more vintage. Ooh, pretty, pretty, pretty nice chipboard pieces, 2-sided. I'm not going to count it because this is a lot. It doesn't look like a lot, but I know it's a lot. And a stamp. Okay. Okay, guys. All right, Spellbinders, you knocked it out of the park. Now you're including a stamp too. So we have Santa die set with the sled. And then now you get this cute little reindeer. You get great sentiments. Look at the sentiments. All right, so you can do your stamping, heat embossing. You don't have time to do this, then you come back into this. Oh, and if you really want to send that extra special pop-up, you pull these out. Yep. And then you throw some of your little sparkle snowflakes on the top. And then lastly, gemstones. A pack of gemstones in some beautiful color. See, that's the color. I don't know what this color is though. You see it? It's like gold, but goldy coppery goodness. Oh, I love that color. Maybe it's like rose gold mixed with something. Super pretty. Love, 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 love. Alrighty, crafters, I just wanted to hop on real quick. I got to put all my stuff back together and show you the amazing mega kit, Santa Lane. Order yours now. You have plenty of time to play with it all throughout the holidays. Alrighty, crafters, until the next video, stay crafty, my friends. Thanks for watching. Look out for all the projects I want to make with this one. Bye.